want to find all photos of a person in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone in just one tap. So hello everyone, today I'll show you how to search photos by face in Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So let's begin. Firstly, open gallery applications, and now to search the photo, tap on this small magnifier icon. Now you will see here people option and different faces. Now tap on any face and you will see here photo of that person. You can also add name to that face by tapping on add name like this. So next time just search the name of the person and it will appears instantly. So like this, if I search the name of the person here, and this will display all the photo of that person instantly. And if you don't see people option in your gallery applications, then tap on the three dots and tap on search settings, tap on search categories, and here this people option should be enabled. So this is how you can search or find photo of a person by using the face or the name in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone.